Have you ever wondered what causes those popping sounds when you crack your joints? When we crack a joint such as our knuckles or knees, it's not actually the bones making the sound. You see, our joints are surrounded by a lubricating liquid called synovial fluid, which helps to reduce the friction between the bones. Within this fluid, small gas bubbles mostly consisting of nitrogen can sometimes form. When we apply pressure to a joint, it can cause these gas bubbles to rapidly collapse or burst, and that's how we hear the familiar cracking sound. It is important to note that cracking our joints isn't harmful or damaging to our bones, so feel free to make some popping noises. To hear more interesting facts like this, make sure to like and follow us.